has been an amazing workshop with a lot of great experts teaching us and giving us tools. I've really been enjoying it, and for sure it's helping myself to succeed as a mommy.
It has been an amazing, insightful experience for us.
We can see a lot of parents who are dealing with the same thing, so it's really nice to be here.
I was so happy to be here today and to empower parents and teachers to have more tools to build a stronger connection with their children and students. It was so lovely coming here today.
We got to speak to other parents, meet them, and kind of know that we're not alone in experiencing what we are experiencing.
It's a very thoughtfully prepared event, and I have enjoyed every discussion and every conversation. I think things are very insightful and very you can apply to your child, and it's a lot of information. So thank you so much for organizing it.
So absolutely loved the event. Beautiful idea, well done Maple Bear.